Hello, good morning. How are you? Hi, dear. Good morning. Good morning. Have you practiced all the taxonomic details of family Fabaceae? I hope you have done it. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Rohan Gowda. Rohan ka cordial school. Good morning. Ashraya, Prakriti, okay, Sakshi, everybody. Okay. Umera, Jivita, Kirtana, everybody. Hi, all of you. How are you? Ma'am, I could not copy down the fourth and the fifth plant of economic importance. Okay. Importance and the important. Okay. Neha, for the other students will message you. Okay. Those who are written now, fourth and fifth plant from economic importance, you send that. Let her write. Let me see. What are the economic important plants? I'm good, yeah. I'm fine. Doing absolutely fine. Right. So others, please send a message about the fourth and fifth economically important plans. Fourth and fifth ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಯಾರು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸೈಜರ್ ಅರೈಟಿನಮ್ ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅದೇನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಟಿಂಬರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? Is that timber plant you are talking about or the pulses you are talking about? Okay, let me see how many of you pulses. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Green gram Phaseolus radiculata humera TA ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸೈಜರ್ ಅರೈಟಿನಮ್ ಬರದಾಯ್ತಾ? Fine. Okay, let's continue with the taxonomic part. Actually, we have no power. Power ಹೋಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸಂಜೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. There is no power, right? Still I'm managing with the our UPS system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಂಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಕಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Because ಪವರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾತ್ರಿಯಿಂದ. There is no power and a lot of things are drained out here. Okay, done. Now let's continue with the next family. Family 1, we are done Fabaceae. Second family I'll give you now. Okay, that is Solanaceae. Solanaceae example is all the type of plants that are brinjal family. We call them as brinjal family. Brinjal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ, ಟೊಮೆಟೊ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೊಟೆಟೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ, ರೈಟ್? Tobacco plant kuda Solanaceae family ge baruthe, chili ella idrelle baruthe. Okay, so let's now talk about the second family further from the second dicotyledonous plants, that is Solanaceae. Erase this first. This is your second year students class. Okay, so what is the plant family name? I told you, family Solanaceae. Family Solanaceae. Okay, we call this as a potato family or brinjal family ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Potato flower ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು brinjal family ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. Okay, the example we learn it under this is Solanum nigrum. Actually ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಟಿಪಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Solanum nigrum is also a weed plant. ಏನಲ್ಲ ಪೊಟೆಟೊ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಕಿತ್ತು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Typical plant ಗೆ Solanum nigrum ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Solanum nigrum is a small plant growing near as a wasteland like a weed. It has small blue fruits or red fruits, tomato like ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಂತಿದ್ವಿ ಅದನ್ನ. It has lot of other things problems also, but still it is a small fruit. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಣ್ಣ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ ಯಾರು ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ತರ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Have you seen that plant? ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಲ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಟ್ ನೇರಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, that belong to family Solanaceae. Okay, let us begin with the plant characters. Right, it is a mesophyte. You all know that these are all mesophytes, and they grow on the land. Right, then coming to the habit, most of them are shrubs. Mostly shrubs irutte, ಕೆಲವು herbs irutte. ನಮ್ದು ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹರ್ಬ್ ತರ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ shrubs ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, they will be highly branched. Right, then coming to the plant, single typical plant, the twig ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ twig will be little hard, ಒಂಥರ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, hard twig ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ the leaves are simple leaves. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ simple leaves ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But suppose you see the Solanum nigrum or your brinjal plant, the leaf is somewhat different. I'll just show you how it is. Leaf, when you observe, it will be having somewhat like this. Margin one hengengu irutte, irregular margin irutte ಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗೆ, but simple leaves, ಯಾವುದು compound leaves ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ the stem and the leaves will have number of spiny structures. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೈನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ Solanum nigrum ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, spiny, even on the stem you get spines. They are all outer external growths they are. ಆಮೇಲೆ inflorescence ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, there will be a tip of that will be having a fruit. In fruit ಇರುತ್ತೆ, below that flowers ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೊಗ್ಗು ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೆ. Can you make out what type of inflorescence is this? Older flower is at the top, fruit ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇದು old, young. It is going in a basipetal succession. Cymose inflorescence. It's a cymose inflorescence. Very good. It's a cymose inflorescence where older flowers at the tip, younger flowers at the base. Okay, ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ younger flowers will be at the base. ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೈಮೋಸ್ inflorescence ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊನೋಕೇಜಿಯಲ್ ಸೈಮ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಎನಿವೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ inflorescence I am talking about. Inflorescence. This is the fruit, this is the flower, and these are the buds, this is the leaves. Spines ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Spines ಅಂದ್ರೆ they are not thorns, outer growths. Spines are very deep, hard ones. Sorry, thorns are ದಪ್ಪ ಇರ್ತವೆ. Spines ಅಂದ್ರೆ external outgrowths ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಹಳ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ thick ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Okay, they are helping for them to grow and avoid the grazing animals. So single flower ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, typical flower ನೀನು observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, typical flower section ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, 5 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Petals and sepals are 5. No, I take a LS of the flower and show you. LS of the flower ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ receptacle ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ very important thing is the calyx. Calyx will be retained even till the fruit formation. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, that is calyx. We call it as the permanent calyx. It is for a persistent calyx ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು ಪರ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನೇ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪರ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ lives even after the fruit formation. Persistent calyx ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you can see that petals are almost fused. ನಾನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಾಲಿಸೆಪಲಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಮೋಸೆಪಲಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಮೋಪೆಟಲಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಮೋಸೆಪಲಸ್ ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ is a petal condition, and here is the gynoecium and androecium. Anthers are attached to the petals. They are elongated ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ, ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಪೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. But they are, as petals are growing below the gynoecium, they are said to be, this is the gynoecium. Okay, it is superior over in idanu. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒರಿಜಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಗೈನೇಶಿಯಂ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಮನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲಾಂಗೇಟೆಡ್, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಾಂಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಮನ್ಸ್. These are the stamens. This is the petal. Petal is fused. Sometimes bell like irutte. Idu gynoecium. Okay. Iಷ್ಟು characters. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Okay. So what is the arrangement of calyx? First, I told you flower character. How is the flower? Tell me flower character. ಎಷ್ಟು merus nature ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? What is the merus nature of the flower? See the flower I have drawn. Pentamerous flower. Okay. Bisexual or unisexual? See this flower. It's bisexual. Okay. It is bisexual. Complete or incomplete? It's complete flower. Then this is superior ovary. Although stamens, male constitutive stamens are attached to the petals. No, petals originate below the gynoecium. Therefore, this ovary is superior. What's the flower called? Flower is hypogynous flower. Hypogynous flower. Right? Complete hypogynous flower. Right? Now coming to the calyx. Sepals are 5 in number and they are gamosepalous. They are valvate estivation. But coming to the corolla, petals are 5. You notice hinge suttkondange one twisted estivation. Petals are 5, gamopetalous, they are twisted estivation or contorted estivation. Sometimes the petals are bell shaped. Bell andre ee datura plant alla hingudduk bell tara bandirthe nodidira. Blue flowers irutte, sometimes white flowers irutte. It's a bell shaped corolla is common in these kind of plants, this family. Hige flower idre hige hinge bell tara hinge bandirtade, hinge irutte bell shaped corolla. There is common ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣೋದು bell shaped corolla. Okay, that is the major one. Then anthers. Stamens have long anther lobes. See, elongated anther lobes. Dithecous. They are attached to the petals. What is that attachment of the petals called? Petal attachment again antare. It is called as epipetalous condition. Epipetalous andre ಮತ್ತೆ spelling ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. Already ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. Epipetalous andre attached to the petals. Right? And they are all facing inwards. They are introxanthers. Then very important thing I would like to give you is the gynoecium, ovary section. Ovary transverse section ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? If it is a pentamerous flower, you should get 5 carpels, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. Only 2 carpels will be there. Bicarpellary syncarpous ovary ಇದು. ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ovary wall ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು 2 carpels, but they are not straight. Stem axis illide andre these are oriented sidewise. Very important because of the oblique placed placenta. Placenta illirte oblique alli irtade placenta. Idishtu placenta ido to which the ovules are attached. So it is the oblique placed placenta. So these are the ovules and this is the oblique placenta. The 2 carpels, bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary, but placenta is placed obliquely. It's a bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary and the ovules are arranged on axial placentation, but the placenta is placed oblique. In oblique ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ zygomorphic ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ. Only for the sake of present the placentation or presence of the oblique placenta, it is said to be the zygomorphic. Otherwise the whole flower is actinomorphic. Adre starting alli bariyoga actinomorphic antane bariyಬೇಕು, but end alli ovary position bariyoga because the ovary position is oblique, it can also be considered as a zygomorphic. Only position of the ovary is zygomorphic, otherwise all are right. One more thing, it's fruits nodidre. Idin fruits nodidira ನೀವು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಆಗಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ನೋಡಿರೋ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್. ಇದು calyx ಇದು. It's called the persistent calyx. This is the fruit. Okay, right? This fruit is called as a berry fruit. Berry ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು, ಹಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ berry ಇದು. ಇದು calyx. So this is the structure of a fruit. Okay, first diagram ಇದು. Okay, ಇದು ಏನಿದು twig. Twig diagram first ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Second, illness of the flower. Third is position of the ovary. Fourth is a fruit diagram. So you have to remember all of them are written. Then you have to remember all of them and how to write also you should know. What about the root system? Ella typical taproot cannot dichotic plant. Root is typical taproot. Okay? Right. Right heading family Solanaceae. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ ಮಾಡೋ ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ family Solanaceae. Example Solanum nigrum. Potato family or brinjal family in the variety. Brinjal family. Okay, draw all the diagrams. You draw all the diagrams. What about the habitat? ಅಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಸೋಣ habitat ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಓದಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ habitat ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ there are mesophytes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಕೇಳ್ತವೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಚನ್ನಬಸಪ್ಪ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಗೆ ಆಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸೀದಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟಾ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಗೆ ಸೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ Even in my house there is no power here. I am managing with my UPS system. So whatever there you keep writing, drawing, I'll explain you. That time you understand. Okay, Gnabika. No issues. You can see the video later. No problem, Napita. You watch the video. So now we are not privatizing, we are making it public. You can listen to that or watch it once again after I finish this, okay? Write 1, 2, 3, 4 in that order only. First twig, ಆಮೇಲೆ LS of the flower, ಆಮೇಲೆ PS of the ovary, then the fruit. Written all of you? Once you are done, you please let me know. Okay, finish. Over 1 minute. Right now, family Solanaceae. It is popularly known as brinjal family or potato family. Brinjal family or potato family. Next, the plants like potato, tomato, tomato, chili, tobacco belong to this family. Tobacco belongs to this family. Next, general characters. General characters. Habitat. These plants are normally mesophytes. These plants are normally mesophytes. Habit. The plants are herbs or shrubs. Herbs or shrubs with number of prickles or spines. Number of prickles. Prickles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಈ ತರ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ prickles ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಪೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಥಾರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಥಾರ್ನ್. ಇದು ಸಣ್ಣದು ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಪೈನ್. ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Herbs are shrubs with number of prickles and spines on stem and leaves. Prickles and spines on stem and leaves. Stems and leaves. Done. Next. What, ma'am? Here, what, ma'am? I didn't understand. What is that? What, ma'am, Sujal? I don't understand why you said what, ma'am. Number of thorns, spines and prickles on the stem and leaves. Thorns, spines and prickles on the stem and leaves. Done. Next. The root system. Typical taproot. Root system, typical taproot. Typical taproot. Next, stem. It's green, herbaceous. Green, herbaceous and erect. Green, herbaceous and erect. With spines. with spines. Next, leaves, they are simple. With unequal margin. Not unequal margins. Tumba symmetry illa. Unequal margin. Leaf with unequal margin. Leaves are simple with unequal margin. With prickles all over. With prickles all over. Next, inflorescence. Actually, in the tip you write the apical bud here. You want bud buried. Terminal bud or apical bud. Bud buried. This side you know buds irtaville. Buds, terminal or apical bud. On bud buried. Will not be simply ending like that. Okay. Next, inflorescence. Inflorescence. It is of cymose type. Cymose type. Next, flower. Waiting. Flower. Pentamerous. Bisexual. Bisexual. Actinomorphic. Bisexual, actinomorphic, and hypogynous. And hypogynous. Next. ಆಯ್ತಾ ವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ವೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಲಿಖಿತ waited. You are writing already. Right, next one. Calyx. Sepals are sepals are 5. Sepals are 5. Gamocephalous. Gamocephalous. And normally it has persistent calyx. It has persistent calyx. That is calyx is retained even in fruits. Calyx is retained even in fruits. Retained even in fruits. Valvate estivation. Valvate estivation. Next, corolla. Petals are 5, gamopetalous. Sometimes show bell-shaped corolla. Petals are 5, gamopetalous. Sometimes show bell-shaped corolla. Bell-shaped corolla. Twisted estivation. Twisted estivation. Next, androecium. Stamens are 5, dithecous. Dithecous. Elongated anthers. Elongated anthers. Intros. Intros. And epipetalous. And epipetalous. And epipetalous. That is attached, stamens attached to petals. Stamens attached to the petals. Next, gynoecium. Gynoecium. It consists of bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary, bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary, with ovules arranged on axile placentation. Ovules arranged on axile placentation. Next point, put star and write it. An important feature of ovary in solanaceae is an important feature of ovary in solanaceae is Solanaceae is presence of obliquely placed placenta. Presence of obliquely placed placenta. That is, placenta is located oblique to the stem axis. Oblique to the stem axis. Okay. Because of this, the ovary is said to be zygomorphic. The ovary is said to be zygomorphic. Zygomorphic. Next, fruit. It is normally a berry. It's normally a berry. One more thing you remember, if you cut this open and see the seeds, when you observe the seeds, seeds will have what you call the somewhat, they will have concave flattened seeds are there. ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ ಈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? They are the pressed ತರ concave seeds, right? That also seeds are slightly concave at the center. Seeds are slightly concave at the center. At the center, or flattened seeds, or flattened seeds. Or flattened seeds. Done? Okay, with this background, you write flow diagram and formula. Let me see how you are able to finish. 1 minute I'll give. If you are written, say yes, and immediately you can post me to my WhatsApp. Let me see. ನಿಮ್ದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಲೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದು ಹಾಕಿ. Let me see how many of you are writing, are able to write. Immediately ಈ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲ, ಈಗಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. If you don't know how to draw flow diagram formula, it's gone case. ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಳಿಸಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫ್ಲೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಬರೀದಿಲ್ಲ. Finish drawing. You sent it? When the nimdu send madidra flow diagram formula, I will check it now. All of you, all 55 members are there. All of you have to do it. I don't mind if it is group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್. ಹುರುನ್ಸಿಯಾ ಯಾರದು? ಹಿರುನ್ನಿಸಾ. Answers correct ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, answers correct ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಿರುನ್ನಿಸಾ and your ಇದು petal corolla estivation is twisted. You should write. Written valvate. Corolla should be twisted. And answer should be dithecous. You are written direct answers. Gynoecium superior ovary ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. But you are written humera. Correct. ಸುಮಾರು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಒಬ್ಬಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್, others I didn't get it. I want you to send me. You need not to say anything, just send it. You don't have to keep waiting for chatting and all. So one the humera bandide nange. Okay, done, no issues. I am sorry, I can't send the pic because my phone camera is broken. Okay, it's okay, no issues. Others. So 2 minutes alle obble bardirada, humera obble bardidda. Napita is not there. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನೌ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾಪಿ ನೌ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಒಬ್ಬಳದೇ ಬಂತು ನನಗೆ ಹುಮೇರಾದು, ಅವಳದೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು, ಉಳಿದವ್ರದ್ದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐದರ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ or you don't know how to draw or you are unable to send it. I don't know what is wrong, but you should send it as I told you. That's the best way to understand whether you have understood or not. College alladre ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಂದು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ. ಈಗ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. You ask Napita's number and put it, get into the group, right? Or directly you can send my number only, no issues. Okay, listen. Floral diagram barithina nani. Floral diagram of family Solanaceae. Right? First stem axis mere baribeku. Humera, just observe. Don't write at the side. Stem axis at the center should write. And calyx should come to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sepals are 5. Gamosepalous, fuse them. Corolla petals are 5 and are twisted. You are written valvate. It is twisted. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಬ್ಬಳದ ನಂಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಅವಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಿ ಹಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಡ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಆಂಥರ್ಸ್ ಡೈಥೀಕಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಆಂಥರ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಂಥರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಥರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ. And then attached to the petals ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ petals ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟ್ರೋಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಆಂಥರ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ ಓವರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಬ್ಲಿಕ್. ಹೀಗೆ 2 ಕಾರ್ಪಲ್ಸ್, obliquely placed placenta. ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕತೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, which is showing it is obliquely placed. in ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Anyway, this you did not know, now I am giving you this one line. ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾರು ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದು? ಓಕೆ, ನಪಿತಾ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಮ್ಮ, ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay, correct. Actinomerfic, bisexual, K5, C5. Okay, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. She has sent it. ಯಾರಿದು? ರಶ್ಮಿ ರುದ್ರೇಶ್ವರ್ has sent it. Rashmi has sent it. Your diagram ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. So many are sending. Good. Actinomorphic. ಇಲ್ಲ actinomorphic, zygomorphic ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರಶ್ಮಿ. Only actinomorphic ಬರೀಬೇಕು. You need not write all the details. Savita has written. Rashmi has written. Okay, good. Okay, listen. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆಕ್ಟಿನೋಮಾರ್ಫಿಕ್, ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಸುವಲ್, K5 fused, C5 fused, anthers 5 attached the petals in ಒಂದು arrow mark ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Anthers attached the petals. ಅದೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Superior ovary, bicarpal, syncarpal system. Silita, many you are done well. Really, I am happy for you. You are written really beautiful. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ನಪಿತಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಈಗಲೇ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲಸ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಾಯ್ತಾ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? So good, you people are writing well. That's good. Nice. Nabita didn't send me. Others all sent me. Okay. Now let's now talk about it. Did you finish the drawing? Flow diagram formula ಬರ್ದಾಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay, it's okay, leave. No issue. ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ? ಆಗಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಸುಮೇರ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ do you understand how to write, ma? Gaitikas answers. Okay, it's okay. Napita, it's okay, fine. So now I'll give you plants of economic importance from this family. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದ್ರ ಅಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಈಗ. Is it fine? Again, don't say that I am writing, ma'am. Chandrasappa, where are you? Not to be seen at all. Amog, accounts. Nandita, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ನಂದಿತಾ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು. Nandita and all are not answering. Chandrasappa, ma'am, I am there. Accounts, I am there. You are there, but no messages only from your side. Dhatri, Dhanushri, Dhanush. Very few are Jitesh. Are? Where is she from? She won't belong to Addiction and how she was inside our group. She is changing the college. Okay. Even now she is not there. Huh? I don't know that. Okay, fine, no issues. Jitesh answer bandila. She told me that day. Okay, fine, dear, no issues. Nikita, Manisha, but Nandini and ಹೆಸರು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Nandini or Nandita ಇಲ್ಲ. Nandini or Carmel College. Okay, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, you are not answering at all. Savita ಆಗಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ತ್ರಿಷಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ಷಿಣಿ, ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಗೌಡ, ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ. All of you should answer properly. Okay, then we'll now talk about the plants of economic importance from this family. Okay, biological names you should write. You have to remember. Okay, plants of economic importance. Now family idu. Ee family matra baribeku, ella bariyangilla. Okay, first one, brinjal plant. All these are the vegetables. Okay, brinjal is called Solanum melongana. Second one, potato, It's called Solanum tuberosum. Third one, chili. It is called Capsicum annum. Fourth one, tomato. It's called Lycopersicon esculentum. Okay. Fifth one, the vegetable like tobacco. Okay. Next, commercial plant. Commercial plant is tobacco. It's called Nicotiana tabacum. Okay. It's very medicinal plants, but therapy. Nabita, what was the reason she told that she is not there? She is changing the college. Any reason she told? You can message me in personal. Okay. Nandita, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೊಂದು Nabita, you send me in my personal message, not in a group. Okay? Yes or no, Nabita? ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಗೆ? It's okay to write this. Okay, you WhatsApp me personally. My number only you message me. Okay, write this one now. First, are you writing all of them? There are vegetables, commercial plant is tobacco. Don't message in a group. Okay, ella bardiddare. Good. So as I get it is filled up, I'll clear this. Okay. Sakshi and all has written. Many of them they have sent me message. Okay, done. Okay, some of the medicinal plants I'll give you this. It's a medicine. Ellaru barra amale Indian purito chanbasappa bardiya. What is the last one? Last but one anta ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾರು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಷ್ಟೇ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬರ್ದಿರೋರು ಬೇಡ. Those are not written, 2 minutes ma'am. See, Litika is saying 2 minutes. ಯಾರು ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಆಗಿಲ್ಲದವರು ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. Those are not done, say that, wait. Those are done, don't have to say yes, yes, yes. Family has no bracteate flowers. Aitama ellardo? Okay. Some more plants I'll give you that are of medicinal importance in this family. Okay. Medicinally important plants ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಅವನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ. Plants with medicinal importance. medicinal important plants or medicinally important plants. Okay, this is like a star mark. You remember this. First one is Datura stramonium. This is like a Datura plant, common I get there. It will produce a alkaloid called as Daturin. Alkaloid tag. This is used in rat poison. Okay, this is one. Second one, common name ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, Atropa belladonna. ಇದರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಹೆಸರು ದತೂರ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ದತೂರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಡೆಡ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಡೆಡ್ಲಿ ನೈಟ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇದೇನೆ, ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು ಡೆಡ್ಲಿ ನೈಟ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಟ್ರೋಪಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್. Atropine is an alkaloid and it is used like a anti-venom in snake bites. Even it is used in fever treatment. Okay. Third one. Okay, mainly these two, Atropa belladonna, Datura stramonium. Colerina anti-dysenterica. This is used in dysentery, dehydration. Treatment in dehydration. Okay, Datura, Atropa belladonna, main air plants. So you know, dysentery use matra, but not that very important. Okay, we are learning medicinally important plants from Solanaceae. Right, first one, Datura stramonium. The plant is commonly called as Datura. It produces an alkaloid called Daturin. Arey yaar, I am dictating the same thing. Whole thing you don't write. One by one you are writing. It produces a alkaloid called Daturin. Which is used as a rat poison. Next, second one, Atropa belladonna. It's commonly called as deadly nightshade. deadly nightshade. It produces an alkaloid called atropine. That is used in fever, and also as anti-venom drug. Anti-venom drug in snake bites. Next one. It is also used as atropine. It's also used to treat peptic ulcers, and menstrual problems in females. Menstrual problems in females. Next. Holarina antidysentrica. Menstrual problems in females. Menstrual problems in females. Means they undergo menstrual bleeding, no? If they get menstrual bleeding very painful and all, this is given for relaxing the muscles of the uterus, so that you will not get pain in menstrual bleeding. Menstrual problems in females. Next. Holarina antidysentrica. They used to cure I'm sorry, just a minute, wait. Don't write this. This is not belong to this family. We erase this off because this belongs to other plant, other family. Just erase it because it is changed. They have changed the position of it. It belongs to another family. Strike it out. Okay. One more plant. I'll give you different plant. You strike it out. Now I'll give one more plant. Its name is Withania somniferum. This is one more plant. Listen, understand this. This is called as common name. Its common name is Ashwagandha. Okay, Ashwagandha anta hesaru. It actually used in improving the fertility in females and men. Right? Normally, sperm count increasing and women who are not able to get pregnant at all, they will treat this. So it helps to improve the fertility in human beings. Therefore, the name Ashwa. Ashwa is like energy, provides more energy. It's like that. Okay, reproductive problems they will solve with this. Okay, write this plant. So I'm sorry, you just strike off that Valeriana antidysenterica. Write this name. Did you strike? Yeah. Write this. Withania somnifera. Write this now. Third one, right? Withania somnifera. It is commonly called as Ashwagandha. It's commonly called as Ashwagandha. ಯಾವುದು ಸೋಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಅಶ್ವಗಂಧನ ದತೂರನ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪುಟ ಸೋಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಶ್ವಗಂಧ ಇರ್ಬೋದೇನೋ. ಅಶ್ವಗಂಧ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವ. We don't know exactly whether they use it because it's a very rare plant. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೆಳೆಸಿರೋ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಮದ ಟೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಅಶ್ವಗಂಧ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದು ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ರೆಡ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಟೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಶ್ವಗಂಧ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ರೆಡ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಟೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದು ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ. Write down Ashwagandha. It is mostly used in Ayurveda. Mostly used in Ayurveda. It is an ancient medicinal herb. An ancient ತುಂಬಾ ಹಳೆಯದಂತ. Ancient medicinal herb. It provides many benefits. First one, it is used for improving fertility in men and women. Used in improving fertility in men and women. Next, it is used to increase energy levels. Energy levels. And also improves mental concentration. It is used to reduce the blood sugar level. It is used to reduce the blood sugar level. Right, sugar with diabetic patients. Blood sugar level. It works as what concentration? Mental concentration. ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಬಹುದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು. Used to reduce the blood sugar level in diabetic patients. Diabetic patients. Next, it is used as anti-cancer drug. Anti-cancer drug. ಸುಮಾರಿದೆ, ಅದು ಸಾಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ? ಡನ್. ಸರಿ, ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು ನಾನೀಗ. ತತುರ, ಅಟ್ರೋಪಾ, ವಿಥಾನಿಯಾ ಮೂರನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Right? We'll now go on to next family. The last family in this taxonomy. After that, again, we are not coming back to plant taxonomy or morphology anytime. That's the end of it, because this is very important for your NEET examination also, or CET, or wherever you write any competitive examination. This is very important, right? Moreover, many of us saying I'm not writing NEET and all. Nowadays, without NEET, you are nowhere. If you want to take engineering also, some of the engineering fields also require PCMD. Therefore, you learn biology thoroughly. NEET, at least you have 90 questions from biology only. Adu first PUC nalli irodu tumba barutte second PUC ge. Hagage botany portion concentrate ಮಾಡಿ. Right? Next we talk about family Liliaceae. This is the family name. Okay, Liliaceae. Example, what we study is Allium cepa. Allium cepa andre onion. It is also called as onion family. This is the monocot family. Only one family you are studying from monocot is family Liliaceae. Then let's move on to the habitat. Where do they grow? Is they are mesophytes. Mainly they are mesophytes. They grow in all the land environment. Habit, they are very small herbs. ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೀ ಬೆಳೀತದ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? ಆನಿಯನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? ಆನಿಯನ್ ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ತವೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗಿಡ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. So they are herbs mainly. Okay, so let me give you the plant, how it looks like. The plant habit. First you will have underground stem, bulbous stem. Okay, this is having adventitious roots. Under the ground there are buds, axillary apical buds. Okay, from here you will get the aerial inflorescence with the flowers here, and the flowers are produced in the bunch at the tip. Like this, these are the flowers produced. They look like small stars. Like this, and sometimes you get the leaves also, like this green leaves ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. This is the bulb or the stem modification. Stem ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇದು adventitious roots. Again monocot ಇದೆ. These are the foliaceous leaves. And this is the inflorescence axis. We call it the scape. This is the inflorescence. Okay, this is the structure, right? And inflorescence is actually racemose, but all of them they form a small umbrella-like structure. We call this inflorescence as an umbel. Umbel is like an umbrella inflorescence, right? Racemose type. Single flower when you observe. Okay, you can see here small stalk with the 1, 2, 3 perianthulums, and 3 are outside. Totally 6. 3 are inside, 3 are outside. These are the perianthulums. And here the anthers are attached to the petals. the gynoecium comes out like this. Here the gynoecium with the ovary, style and stigma. Okay, this is the stalk. These are the perianth lobes. These are the epitepalous stamens. This is the gynoecium. So ovary, if you take section, TS of the ovary, you find it's a tricarpellary syncarpous ovary. No, 3 carpels you get it. Right? Like 3 carpels you get. Tricarpellary syncarpous ovary. Like this. And ovules are arranged on the axial placentation. Right? This is the tricarpellary syncarpous ovary. The ovules are arranged on the, this is the ovule. This is the axis. Axis means placenta. Axial placentation. This is the carpel. Okay. This you draw first. Then tomorrow I'll give you the notes for this. KVPY draw this diagram first. Family EDA से बात पड़ी, then उसको बढ़ाना. But KVPY biology is compulsory. ಹೌದು. ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಬೇಕು biology. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ KVPY ಬೇಕು. ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಬೇರೆದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Are you drawing? Only for that I took. Listen, Chandrasappa, you are not something great that you are saying why I took biology. You should study biology for your own sake. Don't keep on saying that I took for that reason, I took for this reason. You don't know biology, you cannot say that I didn't take this for this reason. If you don't want, leave it. But biology taking is required for your own life. That's the reason I always prefer for you to take a biology. I took for that reason ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಥೆ ಅದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಪಾಠ ಕಲೀರಿ, ಕಲಿಯೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ನಮ್ಗೆ. From the beginning you're saying I'm not interested in biology, I get irritated by saying all that. Biology interest ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡಬೇಡಿ. ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾನಂತೂ ಅದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಅದು ಲೈಫ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Those who are studying, let them study. You don't make them like this. All these messages and all, don't send. Inflorescences, I don't know, umbel inflorescences. UMBEL, umbel. Because biology is, later those who are left biology, they are suffering like anything. I've seen people doing that. ಯಾರು ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನಾನು ಬೈತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. If you do like that, suddenly you will lose a lot of major areas of biological field. You need not to become scientist in biology, but at least you should have basics of biology. I told umbel inflorescence. UMBEL, it's a type of racemose inflorescence. Chanbasappa, say what you want to say. See, inna nimge enu full subject gottilla, adike biology tagondedalla helbaaರದು. Subject, once you understand only, you have the ability to decide what to do. Subject gottilla, how to decide? Where is he? Chanbasappa, I cannot see him. Say I'm like this only. If at all you keep saying like that, I will talk like this only. Disappeared, huh? Yavish. And you must be studying. All of other students tell me. You will have to like biology. First thing, whatever you do, you should like the subject. And only when you understand, you start liking. If you don't understand, you can't like it. That's okay, baby. What you said is fine. But now, what you were earlier, your feeling is different. But now, once you started studying, the things should change. You are not born with all the information, no? Once you're studying now, I feel that a lot of people, after listening to my classes, they start sitting in the class and they start liking the class. Although they have been started with somebody's force, but later they will like it because biology is so beautiful. Okay, done. So are you not feeling something different? It is, we are learning something detailed and so beautiful subject we are studying. I feel that. Because a lot of students, those who say that once they sit in my class and all, so many times they say, it's very nice, ma'am, we want to be in biology only. Right? I hope so. That is the thing, what we have to do. You're finished drawing. Okay, listen. See, don't decide anything about your future. You don't know. Because most of the time I see my students who were actually wanting to get into IIT and JEE, they entered biology and they took it. Now so many of my students who are doctors were actually earlier not even willing to take biology, right? I am having 25 years of experience. I've seen a lot of people, right? Listen to me first. So they were having not even wanted to take a biology in PUC. They said, sit in my class. Because it's not that you will make future in biological field. It is because we are on life, learning about ourselves, our environment, our plants, our animals. So learn biology for that reason. Don't think about future. Future, who knows, right? Nobody wanted to become biologists, they become biologists. Those who wanted to really get into medicine, they have become engineers, right? So you cannot decide anything right now. It's very early time to decide all this, okay? So learn it because it's nice to learn it about yourself, our own life, our own happenings in my body. The plants, how are they photosynthesizing? How are we getting food? Have that interest in you. Don't think about future, I'll become this, that. That is a big story. Anyway, I'll make you get into one very good field only. But the thing is, don't think about future. Okay, because of that I want to study. Because of this I want to know. You are studying because you are liking it. Okay, be with that idea. Right? I like it because I am learning it because I am liking it. Right? So maybe earlier you were having different ideas about biology, but once you started studying now, I think your original thinking should change. You have different attitude now about biology, right? So think that way and learn biology because it's nice to study. And it is because ourselves, we are studying ourselves, right? Sujal. But now we are feeling easy, right? Sujal is saying, I'm interested in informative science, okay, but still you are learning biology. Learn it. You can go even after this to information science. A lot of my students who are PCMB students are very good engineers. They like it because it's nice. You can take in future whatever career you want to choose it, but don't think because of this I'm doing it. It's fascinating thing. It's a life. Is there everywhere? You can get direct result. You grow one seed, you get a plant, right? Therefore, it is lively subject. So learn it. Good. So tell your friends also like that, right? Tell your friends who are there. They say that I don't like biology. I don't take biology. Don't want to become doctors only all the time. But learn it because it is your life. Okay? Right then, see you. It's time up. Be with the positivity in mind. Okay? See you. Learn properly biology. Bye. Enjoy. Chanbaspa, don't feel anything bad. I'm talking reality of life. Okay? Fine then. Bye-bye. Very Chanbaspa, say bye. Bye-bye. Not to be seen. Okay, bye. Don't feel bad. Okay? I said reality. I've seen life. Okay? See you.